Hey guys, welcome back. Let's take this doubly linked list. Now I'm going to store some elements in doubly linked list. Let's take the values 2, 5 and 3. Let's add this element in list. It's first node and it has 3 parts: exact value and 2 nodes to store next and previous node informations. Assume that this address is 100. Here I'm going to store our first element. It's 2. Fine. Here previous reference will be null, right? Because we don't have any previous node here. It's our first node in this list, and the next node will hold the address of next node. So what will be the address? Let's assume that this integer value requires 4 bytes and the next and previous node also requires 4 bytes each. So totally we need 12 bytes for one node, right? This node address is 100. Then the next node address will be 100 plus 12. So this node holds the address of next node, which is 12. And this is second node. It holds the value 5. And the previous node reference will be 100. And next node reference will be current node plus 12, which is 112 plus 12. So next node reference will be 124. Similarly, this third node will hold the elements 3 and previous reference will be 112. And this third node next reference will be pointing to null, because this is our last node in our doubly linked list, right? In ordinary doubly linked list requires space for 2 address fields to store addresses of previous node and next node. A memory efficient version of doubly linked list can be created using only one space for the address fields with every node. This memory efficient doubly linked list is called as XOR linked list, or memory efficient, as the list uses bitwise XOR operations to save space for one address. In the XOR linked list, instead of storing actual memory addresses, every node stores the XOR of addresses of previous and next nodes. In this doubly linked list, we allocated separate memory to store the previous and next node. But the idea of XOR linked list is avoid using the separate memory for the previous node. So XOR linked list uses only one node to hold the previous and next node informations. So XOR linked list node having 2 parts within it. One is actual value and second part is XOR value of previous and next node. To understand this more clear, I will explain this with diagram. Let's take, these are the nodes in XOR linked list. Take this 3 nodes. So here we are going to store 3 elements. Assume that the first node address is 100. In XOR linked list, every node will have 2 sections only. Here node size will be 4 plus 4, that is 8 bytes. So second node address will be 108 and third node address will be 116. Let's take, we are going to store these values 2, 5 and 3 in this list. Now the question is how this first node will hold the address of previous node and next node references, right? Actually, it will hold XOR value of previous node and next node references. For this first node, we don't have previous node. So this node will have bitwise XOR of 0 and next node address, that is 108, like this. And this second node will have the pointer as previous node address, that is 100 XOR, and next node address, that is 116. Similarly, this last node will have 108 XOR of 0 because we don't have next node here. So this is how we can implement memory efficient doubly linked list. See you guys in the next video.